the questions I get asked a lot is, what are my measurements and how do I use to hang up gear on a wall that's in front of my motorcycle? Usually I hang up helmets and jackets and sometimes heated pants, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do over this video is it should be a time lapse of me hanging up 10 hooks, I think, total. These are the hooks that I use. And these are just the cheap ones at Walmart for $1.50 a piece. So, I mean, these I've used from apartment to apartment. Usually when I move, I take all these down with me and move, and they've been to several apartments, and they hold surprisingly a lot of weight, and they're very sturdy on the helmets and the jackets themselves. So, well, how I start usually is I kind of write down the measurements I want to use, and I've used these measurements for all the settings that I have, kind of tweaked them to where I like them now. And of course I'll put them in the video notes, but what I do is I make a cheat ruler, right? Just a scrap piece of wood. It's at least 30 inches or longer, and then I mark from the ceiling down to the first hole of the hook and the second hole, and then straight down from there to the top of the first hole, to the second hook, and the second hole and the second hook. And we're just going to stack them helmet, jacket, all the way down. And that's what you do, is you just mark them all, going all the way down. And this length right here from the ceiling to the first hole is the same distance between hooks for these rows. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and mark all my holes, and I'll be back to you in a second. Okay, there we are. We got 5 rows all marked up. So what I use for anchors, so you're not going to be able to get into studs for all of these. So I use this system because I don't have to drill any holes. It's super easy. You can just take a number 2 or number 3 Phillips. I like this number 2 because it sits in there a little bit better. And you can just literally hit this with your hand into the wall and then screw it all the way in where this part's flush with the drywall. And then you just take a regular screw that it comes with and screw it into the center. And it holds really well. I mean, each of these are rated to hold 79 pounds. And your helmet and jacket's never going to be that heavy. And there's 2 of them per hook. Now it's literally just as simple as screw them in. That's all there is to it. And that's it. I mean, there's literally nothing to this project. It's incredibly simple. Let's go get some motorcycle gear for this, huh? Oh, wait, there's one right here. It's one I don't use much. Put it on the end. Yeah. That looks good. Let's get the rest. It's not my helmet. Don't judge me. I mean, it is my helmet. It's just too small for me. It's a spare one for passengers. Well, there she is. And that's it. Now, what you can do for accessories, get yourself a little milk crate like this. And you can hang another hook. And you only need one for these. You can do two, but I mean, this thing's not going to go anywhere. Then in there you can put gloves, chargers, accessories, whatever you need for the ride. I probably will add another hook over here just for that. Or maybe I'll put it a little bit lower this time. I don't know. This thing is pretty versatile. You can use it for whatever you want. But I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, there's super simple, and you have all of your gear in one place. You don't have to worry about it. Thanks for watching.